Let's take a very simple example of cryptography. Let's say that Bob and Alice want to exchange some information in class without their classmates getting to know about it. What they could do is they could get together before class and decide that whenever Bob wants to talk about his dog, he is going to say horse instead. Now, when in class, Bob could easily say that I took my horse to the vet today. That would leave his classmates wondering whether Bob really owns a horse. But Alice would know that when Bob says horse, he's actually talking about his dog. Encryption is the process of taking a message and scrambling its contents. Encryption can be divided into two categories, symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption is where the same key is used for encryption and decryption. Asymmetric encryption is where different keys are used for encryption and decryption. Let's take a look at symmetric encryption. Here, Bob wants to send a secure message to Alice. What Bob would do is use a key to encrypt his message and send it along the network. Once Alice has received this message, Bob will also share the key that was used to encrypt this message with Alice. Alice can then use this key to decrypt the message and view its contents. Let's take a look at asymmetric encryption. To understand asymmetric encryption, imagine a mailbox that anyone could walk by and drop mail into. This mail can then only be accessed by the mailbox owner who has the key to the mailbox. Let's say Bob wants to exchange some information with Alice using this encryption technique. At the outset, an encryption algorithm would generate public and private keys for both Alice and Bob. Now, Alice and Bob would exchange their public keys, and when Bob wants to send some information to Alice, he would use Alice's public key to encrypt this message and send it along the network. Alice, upon receiving this message, can use her private key to decrypt this message and view its contents. Bob himself will not be able to access this message as he does not have access to Alice's private key.